Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome. Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome to our first math lesson of this week. This week, we are going to be focusing on skip counting. Skip counting is a way that we can count faster. So that is what we are going to get started with right now. We are going to cover skip counting by tens, which we've already done every day in calendar. And we're going to touch base on fives and twos. And today is skip counting by twos. So we are going to use our socks right here. And we are going to put up pairs of socks because they're groups of two. So we can count them by two. So we start at 2 and then we go 1, 2. So it'd be 2. And then 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 6, 1, 2, 8, 1, 2, 10. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. That is skip counting by twos because you're skip counting by 2 every time. So with the socks, we have 2, 4, and then if we add more, we have 6, 8, 10. So ready? Count the pairs with me. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. That's how we skip count by twos. So when we look at it in our hundreds chart, and you guys have a hundreds chart that you can print out for this lesson, we can skip count by twos. So 1, 2, ooh, that's not supposed to go like that. So we have 1, we have 2. Oh, why is it doing that? All right. We're going to skip and go to our other one then. All right. So remember, skip counting by twos is the blue numbers on our chart. So when we go back down here, it's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And then it goes 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Now, if we move these socks and we fill in the boxes here, we are going to practice skip counting by 10 or by twos to 10. Ready? 2, 4. Let's double check and make sure it's 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Let's count and double check. Here was 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, boys and girls, now what you are going to do, you are going to practice skip counting by twos with the blocks. So you can count by twos, or if you would rather do it, just cross off and count by ones to make sure you're counting them right, okay? So let's count the yellow ones first. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. What comes after 10? 12, 14, 16. There are 16 yellow blocks. Let's count the green ones. 2, 4, 6. Oh, there's not another group of 2, so we get to count by 1. So 2, 4, 6, 7. Let's count the red ones next. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Let's count the blue ones. 2, 4. All right, boys and girls, so you are going to make a pair, and then you're going to count by twos for the hat. So find the matching hat by drawing a line, and then you can count the pairs. So 2, 4, or you can just count them by ones. That's okay too, to double check your work, okay? All right, boys and girls, so you have that page and that page, and then you are counting the blocks again. And that is it for today. All right, boys and girls. I hope you guys have a great time learning how to skip count. And there is a fun video with a song that you can also, and this is something that you can also listen to. This is something that we are not tested on, so it is okay if you don't get it right now. This is something that goes all throughout kindergarten and all the way into first grade, okay? So just try your best. All right, guys, have a good day.